Hello, everyone, and welcome to Everyday English Channel with Tom and Kate. We're really happy to have you here with us today.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us. This is our very first episode, so it's a special moment for us.
Before we start, if you want to improve your English with us, feel free to subscribe to the channel.
And if you enjoy this episode, you can give it a thumbs up or share it with a friend who is learning English too. It really helps the channel grow.
All right, let's begin. Today's topic is simple, useful, and something people talk about every single day.
Exactly. Today we're talking about the weather.
Weather is a perfect topic for learning English because everyone understands it, and you can use weather phrases anywhere in the world.
Also, the sentences are short and easy. It's sunny. It's cold. Very simple. Even if you're a beginner, you can start talking about the weather right away.
So, today is really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's sunny. The sky is clear and it feels warm outside.
I love days like this. When the sun is shining, everything feels easier.
Totally. Good weather gives me good energy. I feel more motivated on days like this.
Same here. And it's interesting how the weather changes your mood.
Absolutely. Last week was so different. Rain, clouds, and wind all week.
Oh yes, that was terrible. I forgot my umbrella twice and got completely wet.
I had the same problem. I left my apartment, took 3 steps outside, and suddenly, heavy rain.
Yeah, that kind of weather makes me want to stay inside all day.
Same. When it rains non-stop, I just want tea, a warm blanket, and maybe a nice movie.
That actually sounds perfect for a rainy day.
Do you enjoy rainy days sometimes?
Sometimes, yes. If I don't have to go anywhere, rain can be relaxing.
True. The sound of rain on the window can feel peaceful.
But if I need to go outside? No, thank you. Rain plus wind, that's the worst combination.
Oh yes, windy rain is awful. And the wind always pushes my hair everywhere.
I can imagine. Windy days are not your favorite, I guess.
Definitely not. But a cool, light breeze on a warm day, that's nice.
Yeah, that's the best kind of weather. Warm, but not too hot.
Exactly. Actually, today feels a bit like spring. Fresh air, sunshine, really comfortable.
Spring is my favorite season. Everything feels new.
Me too. Flowers, longer days, warmer mornings. Spring has a nice balance.
Do you like summer weather?
Only a little. When it gets extremely hot, I feel tired very quickly.
Same here. When the temperature goes above 30 degrees, I lose all my energy.
Exactly. I just want cold water and shade.
What about winter? Do you enjoy cold weather?
If there's snow, yes. Snow makes everything look beautiful. But cold wind? No, thank you.
I agree. Wind makes the temperature feel 10 degrees colder.
So true. But light winter weather with a jacket and a warm drink, that's nice.
Yeah, I like that too.
All right. Let's repeat some important sentences from our conversation, but slowly. These are short and useful, so try to say them with us if you want.
It's a nice day today.
It feels warm outside.
I love days like this.
It rained all week.
I hope it stays like this.
The weather changes so fast.
Fingers crossed.
Great. Very simple sentences, but extremely common.
You know, weather vocabulary is probably the easiest vocabulary in English. You don't need long words or complicated grammar.
Yes, exactly. Most weather words are short and clear. Sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, warm. Cold, very easy.
And the great thing is, you can make simple sentences with them. It's sunny today. It's windy outside. It might rain later.
Right. You don't need to speak fast or use fancy vocabulary. English speakers use short sentences all the time.
Honestly, the simplest sentences are the most natural.
Totally. And one of my favorite weather phrases is, "It might rain."
Yes, that's a good one. Might is a very easy word. It just means maybe.
Exactly. So if you say it might rain later, you're simply saying, maybe it will rain later.
Another good phrase is, you never know. People say that when the weather is unpredictable.
Yes, I hear that a lot. For example, you look outside, the sky is blue, but someone says, well, you never know. It means things can change.
Weather changes fast these days, so it's a perfect phrase.
There's also, it's freezing. That means it's very, very cold.
Yeah, when it's below zero, everyone says that. It's freezing. Or sometimes, I'm freezing.
And the opposite, when it's hot, people say it's boiling, or it's so hot today.
Those words are funny because they come from cooking, boiling water, freezing ice, but we use them to talk about temperature.
Exactly. English is full of funny expressions like that.
Another simple phrase is, what's the weather like today? It's a very common question.
Yes. If you want to start a small conversation, you can always ask someone, "What's the weather like today?"
And the other person will answer with a simple description. It's sunny. It's cold. It's raining. It's warm and bright.
Short sentences, easy vocabulary, and you sound natural.
That's the goal. Sounding natural without using difficult English.
Exactly. And weather is the perfect topic for that.
Okay, let's practice a few more simple sentences together. These are very common in daily English, so repeat them with us if you want.
It's sunny today.
It's cold this morning.
It's windy outside.
It might rain later.
It's warm and bright.
It's a beautiful day.
Nice. These short sentences are very powerful. You can use them anywhere. At work, at school, when you meet someone new.
And most importantly, they are easy. You don't need advanced English to sound natural.
You know, after talking about the weather for 10 minutes, I feel like a real weather expert.
Yes, same here. But honestly, the weather is the perfect topic for learning English.
I agree. Everyone understands the weather and everyone has something to say about it.
Exactly. Even if you're shy or nervous, you can always say something like, nice day today, or it looks like rain.
And the other person will answer. It's a great way to start a small conversation.
Totally. And it doesn't matter where you are. Weather is universal.
Speaking of weather, it still looks nice outside. Maybe we should go for a walk after this episode.
Good idea. It's warm and sunny. Let's enjoy it while it lasts.
Yes, because tomorrow it might rain. You never know.
All right, everyone. That's the end of today's episode. If you found it helpful, you can give it a thumbs up.
And if you want to support the podcast, feel free to subscribe and share this episode with a friend who is learning English too.
Sharing helps a lot, so thank you if you do.
Next time, we'll talk about something very useful: how to order food in a restaurant.
That's one of my favorite topics. So join us in the next episode.
Thanks again for listening.
And remember, keep speaking English every day.